Alam mo kung bakit hindi mo pa rin nasisimulan yung business o side hustle mo? Dahil naghihintay ka ng perfect timing o kaya iniisip mo na kailangan mo munang malaman ang lahat bago gumalaw. So let's be real, that's just a disguised form of fear. The modern business, by the time na maaaral mo ang lahat, bago na naman ang market. You are trading your most valuable asset, time, for a sense of false security. You don't need to see the whole staircase. You just need to take the first step. Ang real world business, hindi parang exam sa school na kailangan mo i-memorize lahat bago sumabak. You build the parachute on the way down. The best data doesn't come from the books or YouTube videos. It comes from execution. Start with a minimum viable product. Subukan mo muna, magkamali ka, at doon mo ayusin ang system. Shift your mindset from perfection to momentum. Ano ba talaga ang pumipigil sa iyo ngayon? Takot ka bang magkamali? O takot ka lang sa sasabihin ng ibang tao kung sakaling hindi mag-work sa umpisa? Let me know in the comment.